We'll guide you through how to use ChatGPT commands effectively. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and navigate to the ChatGPT website. Sign in with your account if you're not already logged in. Once you're on the main interface, you'll see a text box where you can type your queries. To use a command, you need to start your text with a / followed by the command keyword. For example, if you want to summarize a text, type r_summarize followed by the text you want to summarize. This tells ChatGPT to process the command and provide you with a concise summary. If you're looking to translate text, use the translate GPT to give you a translation. You can also use commands like explain to get detailed explanations on specific topics. Just type explain and then your topic to ensure your commands are recognized. Make sure there's no space between the / and the command keyword. Also keep your commands clear and specific to get the best results. You can stack commands by separating them with the semicolon, like summarize, translate to French. This way, ChatGPT will perform both actions sequentially. Remember, commands are a powerful way to customize your interactions with ChatGPT. We'll perform both actions sequentially. Remember, commands are a powerful way to customize your interactions with ChatGPT, making it a versatile tool for various needs, from learning to productivity. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.